Good morning, children. We'll continue the HTML program. I showed you how to change, add text and color. Let me continue. Let me share the screen with you. So we have put the background color and we had added text, and you can also change the text color. You can add picture background, which will, and also the margins top and left. This is what we are going to use. And when I had I created this program like this, but I can't see the words, right? So now let me show you how would you open. Now the program here that is given on your, it's given with the HTML or your Internet Explorer. So if I definitely click, I'm going to get only the Explorer view. So if I want to open the notepad, just right click on this, go to open with, and just click on notepad. So the HTML file opens into a notepad file. Can you see? So then I can, in this thing, I can change the background color. Say I'll use yellow, and you see what happens. So again, I need to save. If you don't save, it will not upgrade what you're doing. Yes, when you open the Explorer, I already told you if you want to refresh whatever you've done, first you need to save it in the notepad, whatever changes you have made. And to refresh the Internet Explorer screen, just click on F5. See, it's become yellow color. So once again, I'll show you how to open everything. So right now I'm here. I need to see the notepad. I've saved it with class 7. You remember in the previous. I want to open the notepad. Just right click, open with, and open the notepad file. I will find the program here. I want to see it as a graphic display. So just double click on the file. And then you can see what changes we have made. Clear, children? Okay, going to the next step. Mm, Here it says you can, using picture as a background, you can also insert, the color in the as a web page background, which I showed you just now. And you can also insert an image as your background, a picture as your background. Let me see if I have any pictures on the desktop, because I've saved it on the desktop, right? So if I have a picture, I can use it. I don't have a picture because wherever it is, otherwise I'll have to give the the path to get the picture, right? I'll take any one of these pictures. Okay, I'll take this picture of a bird, right? I'll copy this picture of the bird, and I'm putting it on the desktop. So wherever you are using the program, you can stick it in that same place. So both are on the desktop, if you can see. Otherwise, you'll need to write the path as how it's given in your in your reader. Now see, instead of changing the background, when you're using color, it would be BG color. But if I am using background as my picture, I mean a picture background, then what do I have to do? I'll just remove this whole thing. And what did he say? Give it as body background. You need to spell the whole thing, background, and then equal to, open double inverted commas, put the file and the extension, right? So let's do that. Body, and then you write background, and then equal to, and open double inverted commas, and see what's the file name given here. Birds-1.jpg. Birds-1.jpg. You need to copy the same thing, and it is in small letters. So how it's there, you need to write the same one. BIRDS, birds-1.jpg. Clear? This was the extension given to it, right? This is the background for it. Clear, children? So what I need to do is, I need to save this file. I'm saving it with the same name. If you want, you can save it with a different name. If I want to change it and save it with a different name, then I have to say File, Save As, wherever you want to save. Mostly I save it on the desktop. Instead of writing class 7, I'll say I'm putting a picture background. Do not forget to put .html because I'm going to convert it into a HTML file, and then say save. So I've changed the file name as you have seen, and I'll see on my desktop, where is it? Yes, picture.background HTML. I'm double clicking and seeing whether, yes. Can you see? The background is a bird. So I've changed the background, but I didn't change the title name. If you want, you can change the title name. So I'm going to change even the title name. So instead of saying HTML program, I'm going to change the title name as background. BACKGROUND background picture. So I'll put the B as capital because it's my heading, right? So it's your wish. You can just put it as smaller, big, whatever you like. And then I'm going to say file, save, right? And now I'm going to open my Explorer with these birds, and I need to refresh after I save because it's still on HTML. I just now see, now you can see, now the name is given as background. Because two are open, I can see both of them. One is HTML program, one is this. As I told you, yeah, you can just go through the programs. You can just shift from here or here. It depends upon how many programs are being open here. You can just find them here. Clear, children? Now I'm in the birds as a background, picture background, and this is color as a background. Hope you understood till here. Now let's see the next part of it. In this, you need to give the path if you are taking it from the D drive. Suppose if I put the picture in the D drive, then I need to take the path. I need to give the path. I'll show you anyhow because we'll be using it for our other projects. So I'll show it to you then. Now change the text color. If I want to change the text color to white, right? So I want to change the text color to white, and then you can do it. So background, not this. I've already opened. I've not opened the next thing. So I can open you. It's your wish how many you want to open. I'll open this class 7, open with, and I'll say notepad. And then, sorry, this again, class 7, okay. I put this as JPG. And this I'll say BG color. Right. So my class 7 is here. You can see the names will be given here. It's given here, HTML program, and then you can just refresh it. Oh, I've not written anything, so all the things are gone. And I want the text now, a different text. I showed you actually how to enter the text, but if you want to change the text color, then you can use font color, BG color, and then you can use your font color. Font color equivalent to, as I told you, the attributes for font, you can use anything. I want to use it as, they said white on a yellow, I can't see white, so I'll say red. You can even put the size, that is font color, font text. Actually, you can say font text, whatever size or anything. Size is equivalent to 5. And then you need to put it in inverted commas, everything in inverted commas. Clear? And since you open a different tag for it, you need to close this tag. Every time you open a tag, you need to close a tag with the backslash. Clear? And then file, save. Open the, what should I say, the Explorer file here. I didn't write any information, so I can't see any information written. So here I will write my text is in red color. Clear? I'll just write this information. My text is in red color, and I'll see. And then you should close the font, not before that. After the text, you need to close the font. Otherwise, your text will not come. So after writing the text, you close the font text. Okay, file, save, and then just minimize this and go here and say F5. So you get your text color in 5 and it's a little bigger, right? I told you the numbers are from 3 to 7. Sorry, so the text size can change. So if I take 7, what will happen? If I want this text size instead of 5, I want it as 7. It'll come a little more bigger, right? Save. I'll say this was on 5, and I'll say now I'll say I want font text again. I can write it how many times I like. Font color equivalent to, I want it in green, and size, because it's font size, I need not repeat the word font. Size is equivalent to 7. Close, and don't forget to close. Write the text. My, whatever text you want to write, my text is in GREEN. You can just go to the next line if you can't see it. My text is in green, and then I'll close the font. As I told you, it's not square. It's not case sensitive. So one place I'm using big, one place I'm using small. Now I'm going to save it because I made the changes. Don't just click on save. Use the same name. And when you go here, you need to refresh it. To refresh it, what should you do? F5, F5 on your keyboard. Can you see this is small and this is bigger? Hope you understood this, children. So that's how you change your text color, text size, everything. Okay, here there's another thing called HN, heading. Heading 1 are nothing but they are given to the titles. Whenever you're writing a title, you can use H1, H2, H3, and we have headings from 1 to 6. H1 is the biggest size and H6 is the smallest size. So let's try to use this first level, second level, third level, and see how it comes. Okay, from first to the first level of heading, we will use the same thing. I can use a new text pad, or if you want the same thing, you can use the same thing. So I'll use a new text pad. I'll open a new one by saying file, new. A new text pad automatically will open. So what are the steps you need to know? First step is called HTML. Second step is HEAD, head. Third step, you need to by heart these steps. Title, and I'll give the title now only, and I'm saying headings. Okay, and immediately close the title and also close the head. Your work is done with the head and the title, right? Now starts the body, which is the most important thing. I'll use the body with say BG or your text, whatever you want, BG color, and I'll say I want it with I use blue, yellow, and I'll say pink. Let me see if pink works out. Certain colors you have actually, I didn't write the word color, and I need to write color too. BG doesn't work out. Color spelling is COLOR. Okay, BG color, and then I'll say I'm going to write the headings. You can start here itself, or you can start here. I want H1. And what did he say? I'll use the same thing that is given in the reader. My heading 1. First level of heading. First level of heading. I'll write the same thing. First LEVEL level of HEADING. Once you finish the first level, what you should do? Close heading 1. I'm going to copy it and just change whatever second level, third level, and the numbers. I'll copy this thing, okay? Control C is for copy. I hope you know, because I'm not going to type the whole thing again. Control V is for paste. And what I'll do is I'll change here to heading 2 and I'll say second level. second, second, and I must close it with H2, then V, and this is my third heading. As I told you, you have how many headings? 6. So we'll have to do it till 6. THIRD, third, and close it with H3. Okay, and then comes the Control V, paste, sorry, Control V, paste, and this is my fourth heading. And I'll write after third comes fourth and close it with H4. Then comes fifth, H5, and my heading level is FI, fifth level, FIF, fifth level, and close it with H5. Then comes, sorry, Control V, and this is your sixth level, H6, and I'm going to say SIXTH, sixth level. And what I have to close now after this? I open the body tag, but I've not closed it. So I'll go to the next line and say, close the body tag. As I told you, it's not case sensitive. You can use big or small. HTML open should always come with HTML. Last step should be close HTML. And I'm going to save this file. I'll save it as headings. File, save as. I'll save it on the desktop. HEADINGS. Am I forgetting something? I've written it in a notepad. I need to convert it into a web page. So the web page or the HTML extension is .html. Please do not forget to put .html. If not, it will not work. You can put your name also here. Clear? If you want your name, say I'm saying anything you can use. Your name you can use or whatever you want to use. It will come. So I am saying save. It's saved. I'll go to the desktop and see whether it's there. Okay, here's my desktop. I have to minimize all these things. If not, I don't get my desktop. Yeah, headings is here. I'm double clicking on it. What did I double click? Yeah, headings. First level, second level, and I put a big background. If you remember, third, and this is the smallest, sixth. Hope you understood how to change the backgrounds, how to put background as a picture, how to change the font size, font color, and use the headings from 1 to 6 and the font size from 1 to 7. Hope you understood. Try all these things and it will make your lesson easier. So till here we'll stop, and this align and all that, you can use the left align and right align. I will show you how to actually, I wanted to show you the alignments, but I'll do it in the next class and also show you the headings. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day. And do all your homework. Try out all these HTML programs. Hope it's easy for you.